Hello, class. I will be your instructor for the online quantitative and mathematical reasoning course that you signed up for. My name is Melissa Hardiman, and I've been teaching at UALR approximately 32 years. It was actually my first job when I got out of graduate school. Yeah, I still enjoy teaching. I'm still passionate about it, so I'm just not ready to give it up yet. So I want to give you some information about me and a little bit about the course, some general information. Um, I have two children. I am right now in my little creative area in my dining room. I'm incredibly crafty. I can make something out of nothing. And I like being creative. I like creating things. I dabble in the arts. I used to make these wind chimes out of wine bottles. So I've always got some kind of project going on. So behind me, you can probably see, oh, my little area where I paint. I've got some pictures here that I've done. I've really been into this acrylic pouring, having a great fun with that. A colleague of mine and I get together and paint. But this is kind of a fun one. I like the way this one came out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got some beautiful golds and greens, some metallics, and this part to me kind of looks like a river. Anyway, every time I do it, I get something different, and it's just an amazing hobby right now. So that's something. So this is my little area where I create and do schoolwork. Oops, don't want to spill any paint. So a little more information about me. I am from South Louisiana, a little town called Houma, and it is about 50 miles southwest of New Orleans. And a lot of people say, we didn't know there was anything south of New Orleans, but there is. Houma is in Terrebonne Parish, and it's kind of in that real coastal, swampy sort of area. So, but all my family is there. My mom, my sister, my brother, my dad, all my family's there. I'm the only one who actually moved out of state. But I go often enough and visit with them. So that's where I'm from. I'm an excellent cook. As I said earlier, I like to craft and make things. I love to garden, anything outdoors, whether it's the Buffalo River or canoeing. That's the kind of person I am. So just to kind of give you a little personable stuff about your teacher, I think kind of helps to develop a relationship and know that I'm a real person. I'm teaching the course, and maybe you can connect better with me and with the course. So what is quantitative and mathematical reasoning? It's a fancy name for math in everyday life. This course is not algebra based like the college algebra courses. College algebra prepares you to take trig and business calculus or a calculus type course. This course is for non-STEM majors, those folks who do not need to go on and take another math course. Some of the majors I see coming through this course are criminal justice, health sciences, English, the arts, dance, psychology. I've seen some sociology. Those majors that are not heavy STEM type courses. So if your major is non-STEM, then you've taken the right course, and this is basically your last math course that you need for your degree. So we'll be looking at solving problems where math occurs in an everyday life situation. Like we will look at a chapter on finances, and we'll talk about interest rates and how investing your money and earning interest, what that looks like graphically, what kind of returns you can expect, the different ways you can invest, and then how interest can work against you when you borrow and purchase a home and an auto. And I'll give you some tips and information as we get into that chapter. We'll also do some work in statistics. Many majors require you to maybe read some statistical information about something in your field. So having a very small grounding in statistics is going to be helpful. And then we look at putting numbers in perspective, working with some geometry and units, dimensional analysis. But again, this is all in the context of everyday life. I'm hoping that the work that we do and the projects you'll complete will be engaging and not dry like maybe some of the math information that you've worked with in the past. So I will make this as engaging as possible. So what you're seeing right now is the Blackboard shell. And when you go there, you will see these getting started tasks and course documents. So to get started in the course, you would start there and then go through and complete all the tasks listed there. There's 7 of them. You can complete those in the first day. Getting through those will give you the most successful start in this course. So this is just a little information about me, a little information about the course. We'll do some work in Blackboard, like the projects. You'll also be working in my math lab, where you'll be completing homework assignments, lab and video assignments, as well as unit tests. So I will leave this as just a quick welcome video. I look forward to working with you, and please let me know if you have any questions.